That's a matter of opinion. Here, one bag, please. Save yourself.